Hi there! Looking to showcase your clients' feedback, reviews, and ratings on your website? Look no further. Happy Addons introduces Review Widget to ease your task. You can add reviews on your own. Also, you can customize the overall design such as name, title, rating, and your user's review in different ways and styles. To get started, you need to install and activate the free version of the Elementor plugin and the free version of the Happy Addons plugin. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get the notification of our upcoming tutorials. Now let's take the tour. Go to the Elementor editing panel. Add the review widget to the designing area. You'll get a default view of the widget. Click on the content and add the image from the media gallery. After that, change the name, job title, image size, position, review position. Now click on review, add the rating, rating style, client's review, and review alignment. Time to customize your design. Click on style. Adjust the photo width, height, offset, border type, border width, color, border radius, and box shadow. Click on rating and change the background color and text color. Lastly, click on review to change typography and text color. Do the same thing for the job titles, bottom spacing, text color, and typography. See the preview once you're done. Click on Advanced to explore more options. It's a default feature of Elementor. Here, you can adjust the margin, padding, z-index, CSS ID, and CSS classes to your design. Here's a quick tip. You can utilize one of our premium presets if you want to avoid the hassle and give it a professional look. For more information on designing your WordPress site, subscribe to our channel and connect us on our social pages to receive updates on designing your WordPress site using the Happy Addons plugin.